Listen up. Before you install another program on your computer, stop. There are apps and programs out there that look harmless. They look even helpful, but the moment you install them, they quietly destroy your performance. They hijack your privacy and they turn your computer into a lagging nightmare. Today, I'm going to expose the worst offenders, the software you should never install. And trust me, some of these are going to shock you. In fact, you might even have some of these on your computer already. Okay, here we go. Number one, Norton, the original boss-level bloatware. Norton started out fine back when everybody still used dial-up and flip phones. But today, Norton is a bloated resource hog that slows down your computer faster than a margin call on a Friday afternoon. Turn on Norton, run a benchmark test. Turn off Norton, run a benchmark test again. You'll swear your PC suddenly got a gym membership and lost 40 pounds. And scammers impersonate Norton in renewal emails because people already believe Norton is something they might have accidentally paid for. Number two, most VPNs. A VPN is a virtual private network, and not all VPNs are terrible, but most of them, they're just glorified bandwidth anchors. VPN companies realized that subscriptions were the new gold rush, and now they've got VPNs that lie about saying they don't keep logs, they leak data, they get hacked, they slow your computer down, and they get throttled or blocked by internet service providers. So you end up paying money to make your computer slower and less private. It's like buying a security system that invites burglars over for dinner. If you truly need a VPN, research it thoroughly, but for most people, it's just unnecessary. Number three, shopping browser extensions. Have you heard of Honey, Capital One Shopping, and Rakuten? And yes, I said Capital One Shopping. I have a Capital One card, but their shopping browser extension is questionable at best. These apps look cute, they look helpful, they promise to save you money, but behind the scenes, they're tracking your browsing. They're reading your checkout pages. They're injecting pop-ups. They're slowing down your browser like it's running on a generator hooked to a hamster. What's happening is you're trading your privacy for a couple of random coupon codes. Search for discounts manually like everybody else does and skip the spyware with a smiley face logo. Number four, PC performance boosters. Anything with a name like Turbo Ultra Optimizer Pro 9000 is lying straight to your face. These programs claim they'll speed up your PC, but instead they install background processes. They eat RAM, they run its startup, they flood your registry, and they shove ads down your throat like they're being paid per pop-up. One of my in-laws once installed 3 different PC boosters because each one of them claimed to fix what the last one broke. Skip all performance boosters. Windows doesn't need help from these clowns. Number 5, driver updater software. Have you seen these? Driver Booster, Driver Pack, Driver Easy. These should come with hazard signs. They install the wrong drivers. They break audio devices. They can break your GPU performance. They can break your will to live. Windows will install almost every driver you need. And if you do need to install a driver manually, get it from NVIDIA, get it from AMD, get it from Intel, or get it from your motherboard manufacturer, not from supportdriverfixerpro.biz.ru. Number 6, free PDF creators and converters. Have you seen these? Cute PDF, PDF 24, free PDF converter. Most of these come bundled with adware, telemetry, browser hijackers, and virtual printers that get glued into your system like super glue on carpet fibers. Windows already has print to PDF built in. Don't install a bunch of random junk that pretends to help. Number 7, browser toolbars. Please tell me you don't use these. If you're installing toolbars in the year 2026, do you know I'm legally required to send you help? Yahoo Toolbar, Ask Toolbar, Search Helper. So what's up with these toolbars? They change your homepage. They change your search engine. They change your destiny for the worse. They inject ads, they track everything, and they slow your browser down like it's filled with wet cement. Zero reason to install these ever. Number 8, registry cleaners. C Cleaner, which I used to be a fan of. Don't install that anymore. Glary Utilities. Auth-Logic's Registry Cleaner. Registry cleaners promise to fix your PC, but here's the truth. They don't fix anything. They don't speed anything up, and sometimes they delete things that Windows actually needs, which leads to catastrophic failure, catastrophic errors, broken apps, and sometimes a full Windows reinstall. What a pain in the ass. Look, your registry maintains itself. Don't mess with it. Real quick, before we continue, if you want the exact blueprint for buying a blazing fast trading computer, get my complete guide to trading computers. It's free. It'll save you from the costly mistakes that people make every single day. The link is in the description. Grab it after the video. All right, back to the list. Number 9, fake Adobe and Java updates. Look, Adobe Flash is dead. No one uses it. Doesn't work anymore. Java rarely needs updating. If you get any pop-up that says your Flash player needs updating, that is malware. If you get a Java update pop-up and you weren't expecting it, guess what? That's also malware. Close it. Do not click anything. Number 10, so-called internet accelerators. Anything claiming to boost your internet speed or optimize your ping is basically modern-day digital snake oil. These programs mess with DNS routing, certificates, browser settings, and usually make everything worse. Your router already optimizes your connection. Number 11, free weather apps and desktop widgets. Little weather icons, stock tickers, widgets that show the moon phase. Behind the scenes, they're tracking your location, they're eating your CPU cycles, and they're running nonstop. Sometimes they're mining crypto, and they slow everything down. If you need to know the weather, just check your phone or look out the window. Skip the desktop parasites, please. Number 12, free screen recorders and video downloaders. OBS is fantastic. Most free screen recorders, not so much. A shocking number of them come bundled with crypto miners or background spyware. You install something to record your screen, and suddenly your video card is running at 99%, and your charts look like a PowerPoint presentation from 1997. Avoid them. Number 13, adware-filled torrent clients. BitTorrent is the only one that may be trustable, but many others like uTorrent have a history of bundling adware and at one point secretly installing a crypto miner. If the installer has ads, bundled offers, or recommended software, run in the opposite direction. Get out of town. Don't use them. Number 14, Microsoft's OneDrive if you don't use it. If you use OneDrive across multiple devices, awesome. Go ahead and keep it. But if you don't, OneDrive is constantly indexing your drive. It's syncing in the background, but what it's doing is slowing your storage performance. Turn it off and don't use it, and your SSD will appreciate it. There is one program I do like. It's called Patch My PC, and it will update all of the software that's running on your computer with just one click. Patch My PC is lightweight, it's clean, it doesn't run constantly, it doesn't install junk, it doesn't break drivers, and it updates apps smoothly. It's one of the only utilities I actually recommend. All right. Lastly, if you want to avoid mistakes when buying your next desktop computer or your next laptop computer for trading, I put both of my buyer's guides in the links in the description underneath this video. And if you know you're ready to upgrade right now, I have put both a desktop trading computer and a laptop trading computer on sale for you right now. There are links in the description. Check those out as well. My name's Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. Before you head out, make sure to slam that subscribe button. Do that now. Watch this video next. And as I always say, may the trend be with you.